Hey guys, welcome back to another Unboxing with Scott. So for today's video, we're checking out this mystery box. No, not really. So we're checking out this laser scope. So we're going to go through everything in the box. We're going to show you guys what it looks like up close. Make sure you check out the listing for more information on what gun to use. So this is what it looks like. Pretty cool, pretty nice and stylish. We'll show you guys up close. Very simple to use. So there is actually no physical laser that shoots. Like it's not like a laser beam that you can see it on your hand. You actually see it within the lens itself, which is so awesome, guys. So let's show you guys what it is up close. You do get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 batteries are in here. Cleaning cloth, a manual, the adjusting tool, and you get another bracket. So let's get started. Woo! Alright guys, so this is what it looks like up close. You can adjust it from the side right here. You got green, or you have your red sight as well as adjusting. On the bottom here, this is where you mount it on the rail. You would just loosen up the bolts right through here, slide it on the rail, then retighten it. Over here you have your different options of icon. So they give you 4 options. You got dot, circle with a dot, crosshair, and kind of like crosshair dot. So we're gonna go ahead and show you that. So I don't think there's any other. Looks like they already have a battery in here. That's pretty awesome. So if we open this up, this is probably where your battery compartment is at. If you guys are wondering for the future, yes, your batteries go in there. So that's actually pretty awesome that they give you a lot of spare batteries. Alright, so for the camera, as you guys can see the crosshairs right there. You can adjust the brightness as you guys see. Now in person it's way brighter, so the camera's not doing justice. The camera can only show you a little bit, but in person it's much brighter, and the further you get away, the bigger the icon is going to be. So also keep that in mind. And for adjusting, you just simply twist this and it changes your dot. So again, according to the, you guys can't see, there you go, now you can see it way better. So it's hard for a camera to focus on it, but that's what you can see. You just see it more clearly. So let's change it over. So you got that one. Let's change it over again. So you got that one. Change it over, and you got the dot. So overall, very nice scope. And of course, you guys can also change the color. So you just press that, and then you just keep pressing it to up the brightness. So if you have it there, it's pretty much extremely dim. Again, it looks way better in person. So guys, for turning it off, you just press the green and red. So this is the green, this is the red. You press it at the same time. So let's see if we can demonstrate this. Press them at the same time and it turns it off. So make sure you turn it off to save your battery. Very nice though.